Hello everybody and welcome to Legal Studies Unit 4, Area of Study 2, Law Reform Part 3. The focus of today's video is dot point 3, the role of the media, including social media, in law reform. We will begin by looking at traditional media. We will only be briefly looking at it since social media is the focus of today's video. Traditional media includes the radio, newspapers, magazines, and other print media. It plays an important role in informing the public and members of Parliament of issues. One of the strengths of traditional media is that it can reach a large audience and is easily accessible. Some of the weaknesses, however, are that it can be biased based on the view of the particular newspaper, for example, that is publishing the article, and that traditional media today targets an older audience as opposed to youth. Social media. Social media is a two-way information platform where information is produced and the audience can interact with it. Social media makes it easier to gather and show support for suggestions about the need to change the law. It also allows individuals and groups to directly access a political party, politician, or local member of Parliament via their website or social media account. Most politicians have Twitter accounts. Social media can be used to raise awareness of petitions. It can be used to promote demonstrations and is an easy way to use mass communication. Individuals and groups can use social media to disseminate information about their specific interest in law reform and put pressure on lawmakers. The quality of information, however, circulated on social media can be questionable, and the difference between news and entertainment has become less clear. We will now look at some of the strengths and some of the weaknesses of social media. Some of the strengths include that social media can gain a lot of support for an issue if the issue is widely reported. The government is fully aware of the issues that the media are covering and can gauge public support about an issue through the media. Most parliamentarians and political parties have websites and social media accounts where they can have two-way communication within the community. And without the support of the media, other methods of influencing change in the law are likely to have little effect. Looking now at some of the weaknesses of social media can show that there are very strong conflicting views on an issue, which will deter the government from changing the law in this area. The government only takes on board an issue if it fits in with their legislative program and there is a high level of community support. And that through social media, complex legal issues may be portrayed in simplistic ways. That concludes today's video. I hope that your knowledge of dot point 3 from Unit 4, Area of Study 2 has been consolidated. As always, if you do have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so you are able to be notified about future uploads. Thank you.